This is part 2 of topic preposition class 4 to 6 English. In the previous video, I have told you what is preposition and types of preposition. So there are three main types of preposition: when, where, in which direction. If I talk about when, it means when an event happened. कि कोई भी event जो है वो कब हुआ है. Basically it can be called preposition of time. Some preposition of time are in, on, at, before, after. For example, my birthday falls in January. When did your birthday falls? My birthday falls in January. My vacation ends on Monday. When did your vacation ends? My vacation ends on Monday. It gets cold at night. When it gets cold? It gets cold at night. So all the three sentences are answering the question that we ask from did. Basically these preposition of time is when one thing happened in context to other. जब एक चीज़ होती है किसी दूसरी चीज़ को लेकर. Next type is where. Where यानी preposition of place. Some examples are under, above, in, on, at. For example, the books are on the table. Where are the books? The books are on the table. The plane is just below the cloud. Where is the plane? The plane is just below the cloud. So, these sentences are the answer of the question that we ask from where. Third type is in which direction यानी where. But when I talk about where यानी preposition of place, you will say that in, on and at is in the preposition of time also and preposition of place also. Right. They both are used in both place and time because in time they show proper time when it happened, and when we use it as a place then they tell us where the action is happening. Next, in which direction, right, where to go, we can also say it preposition of direction: on, to, into, of, from. For example, he went to London last week. वो पिछले हफ्ते लंदन गया था. He went up the hill. वो हिल के ऊपर गया. So in these sentences, to and up are different prepositions. Now there is one more topic related to preposition, but it's not related to your textbook. Still it is related with preposition, so I am telling prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. Phrase means a group of words that has meaning but not a complete sentence. Prepositional phrase is a group of words containing preposition. Let's see how. For example, the rabbits hopped through the garden. Through is a preposition, so after through the garden will be whole prepositional phrase. The balloon drifted up the stairs. Up is a preposition, so up the stairs whole will be a prepositional phrase. The tiger crept slowly over the grass. Over is a preposition, so over the grass whole group of word will be a prepositional phrase.